Hi everyone and welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're making paneer butter masala. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe and then hit the bell notification. It will literally take you 3 seconds. You can do it now, immediately, please. It will be great to join the community. So many of you have already subscribed and I thank you so much. If you haven't already, as I say, please do go ahead. I'll be able to bring you new weekly vegetarian recipes each week. So please do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. And also, if you like paneer and if you like this video, please click on the like and share with all your friends and family. My channel, Reeta Soul Food, is for everyone. So if you are vegetarian, if you're not vegetarian but you just want to learn new vegetarian recipes or introduce more vegetarian food to your diet, this channel really is for each and every one of you out there. So please do go ahead and subscribe now for new weekly vegetarian recipes. So let's get started. All you will need for this lovely recipe is 4 tomatoes, 2 blocks of paneer, I've got 2 chillies, a handful of cashew nuts and 1 red onion. I've put the paneer cubes on the boil. I just put them in boiling water for about half an hour. You could saute them in some oil, but I just find that I like it boiled in curries. So they're just in a pan boiling away. And currently I'm just chopping up the tomatoes and all the other ingredients. We've also got 2 garlic cloves here as well. For the onion, I'm just chopping away the ends and then peeling away the outer skin and then just throwing away the excess, and then what we can do is just chop it into quarters. So as mentioned earlier, here's the paneer. We've just got it boiling away on some water in a separate pan. I've just put some oil, so this is vegetable oil, and then I'll just be adding the ingredients. So we just want to cook this for about 30 minutes or so, 20 minutes, just depending on how high we've got the heat. And we just want to cook this down, and I've chopped it roughly because what we'll be doing is actually blending this all together, so we just want to cook this down. Just adding a pinch of demerara sugar to help bring out the sweetness and the flavour of our lovely ingredients here. So just cook this away nicely until you start to see that the tomatoes are starting to really kind of cook down, and you'll begin to see that. I've just added a little bit of salt just to help the process and really bring out the flavour of our ingredients here. Please do go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification for new weekly vegetarian recipes from my channel, Reeta Soul Food. Thank you so much. Okay, so as you can see, the tomatoes have really started to cook down now. So we're ready to blend our ingredients. I just need to let it rest put them into a blender here, as you can see in slow-mo, and this is what it looks like after we've blended it down. So it's into a really nice paste here, and this is what we're going to be adding. I haven't washed the pan, there's no need. I'm just going to add some oil. Top left hand corner, you can see we've got our rice on the boil, so just put some more vegetable oil into the pan, and then I'll just be adding our lovely paste here that we've blended down. So put every drop of it in. So we really are multitasking for this recipe. As you know, we've got our paneer boiling away, cooking on the side, which is great because it will be ready soon to be added to our lovely sauce. I've just put in a bit of water in the blender container, just swiveled it around and just get all the nice flavors out there. I've added 1 spoon, one and a half spoons of garam masala. This is added towards the end of our cooking, so just give that a good mix around. Got some chili powder as well, so just give that a mix in. Okay, so I know that this is a paneer butter masala, butter being the operative word. And yes, this is minimal butter, trying to be healthy, well, slightly. So you can add much more butter here at this stage if you'd like to. I've just added a little bit, but you can add much more just as per preference. There we go. So we've got the lights, camera action on. Sorry about the lighting earlier, guys. Just added the overhead light now. So I've drained the water away from the paneer and just adding this to our luxurious gravy sauce now. So give that a good mix, try not to break the pieces of paneer. A bit more salt as per taste and even more light, as you can see. So apologies for the lighting, but we've got extra light here. So I've cooked this for about 20 minutes. Remember, we were doing all the cooking earlier, so this doesn't take too long. And as you can see in the top left hand corner, our steamed rice is ready as well. If you'd like me to do a recipe on how to make steamed rice, then please leave me a comment below. But I've just put the water level just above the rice, left the lid on and let it do its thing for about 20-30 minutes. As you can see, the rice is ready and nicely cooked for our delicious butter paneer masala dish here. And you can chop some coriander and add that, so I'll be adding that, so stay tuned and you'll see. You can also check out other paneer dishes that I've got on my channel, Reeta Soul Food, so don't forget to check that out and all the other recipes that I have there as well. This sauce really is amazing. It's so effective just to cook those ingredients down, blend it up and then mix it into the cooked paneer. So you can garnish this divine paneer butter masala dish with some coriander on top. Thank you so much for watching this video through to the end. I really do appreciate it. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this recipe and give it a thumbs up if you like paneer. And also, as mentioned, if you haven't already, please do go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Until the next time, see you soon.